I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
He yelling. Oh yeah. Oh man. Ooh, oh, them things look nice, man. You didn't play. That color on, I ain't never seen that.
Two of the 63s.
Ain't nothing like it. That's the right, yeah, that's the right I was talking about. Them the nice ones.
Yeah.
Dropping Hurts, that one? Is it Dropping Hurts or?
Yeah, they sell them too, but I got these from
Jim.
I got them from JP.
Yeah, JP. Yeah. I couldn't even find them on there.
Yeah, I got them from JP. Yeah.
Let me get another picture of that, man. I didn't even realize you got the Headway down there.
It's on 200 amp hours of Headway.
Oh, yeah. What you charge it on it?
Oh, it's only charging at 14.2.
Yeah. I'm ready, I guess. Let's go.
I'll show you the subs too.
Okay. All right. Oh, man. You did all your own fiberglass and everything?
Yeah, I did everything I've done, design, build, everything I've done. It's
Y'all get a picture back there. Alright, man, what you got running in here?
got two EM Audio Team 18s. They're all carbon fiber pencil caps. Got them on two JP63s. They're at one of them straps, so half on a piece.
Okay.
Got 8 SSA Evil 6.5 on one JP34 AB.
You do the box designs, right?
Yep, designed it. Yeah, designed it, built it.
Okay, where can they find that information at?
I mean, I mostly do it on Instagram. Smash the Designs.
Okay, Smash the Designs.
Yep.
I can imagine the high notes, I don't even want it.
Yeah, just like, really likes the lows.
Man, that thing is good, man. Just 263.
Yeah, 263s, 218s.
That's going well right there, man.
4-inch pulls.
Oh, 4-inch pulls, not
Yeah.
the 3 then. Okay,
Yeah,
I see what's going on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can take a little bit, but they still get a little stinky, but
Yeah, you doing good with it,
I've been
man.
demoing it all day long.
No, obviously, I felt it when I came, he must have been demoing.
Yeah.
But I sure appreciate it, man.
Oh,
Y'all
yeah.
be sure to go ahead and check them out on Smash the Designs, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
that's
y'all
right.
be sure. I'm gonna try to tag them down below. And y'all seen some of the designs in Park of the Base Heads video, so this was good. So y'all might want to get in touch with them. Appreciate it, bro.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.